We be having niggas open, word is born.
Listen.
Niggas be wanting to get in this pussy so bad. Word is born. They eat this pussy when you on your period. They want to get that shit so bad. Word is born. Tell them having a bomb ass shit. Niggas be wide open, just want to smell and taste the pussy. And if they don't know what the fuck they be doing, so they have to rewind. You know what I'm saying? Take your time, nigga. So
let me see the banana.
Now, go wipe your tears, be a woman while you acting surprised. You saw the bullshit coming, fake hair, fake nails, fake eyes too. So why you bound to fuck with fake guys too? Ain't nothing hard about it. Why you looking sad? Should've thought about it. Say you learned, not truly doubt it. I guess you got a problem with affection, kinda loose with the love. Getting freaky with the thug niggas up in the club. Asked to buy you a drink, you holler Don Perry on, knowing I'm a cash getter. Still I remain calm, let you chill with me. Plus you was smiling to the bill missing. That's what you get for trying to dig me. Miss me with that Bobby this, Bobby that syndrome shit. Bitch, get a job if you wanna be rich. Get mad cause I cursed and I scream I hate you. Introduce you to a nigga nature. Feel me?
Why? Tell them that it's my good nature. Why? Who would I do that way?
Probably too nice at first. I let you kiss me but it hurts. Me and you getting busy slinging dick in the dirt. Bet you at a pool party it was cool to kick it. See it's tongue kissing, you was truly with it. Little ecstasy, Hennessy mixed with me. Picture me, pay for pussy when the dick's for free. Hey now, where my niggas at? Tell these hoes before I pay. I jerk off, word to Moses. Visions Now you sitting there sweaty and wet, pointing to the places that you want me to hit. Give me room all up in the womb, call the cops, nigga. Hitting walls till them bastard drop. Label me Machiavelli thug, nigga with pipe. Living life like a rock star's Friday night. Make money, get pussy, always keep a page. A cell phone in the ride to complete my nature now.
Why? Tell him that it's like the
That's nigga nation.
Why would I do that way?
Started as a seed from the semen. Straight out of Papa's nuts, lusting for creaming. Bitches with big butts, curves make a nigga cry. Tits and shit. When I'm locked down, begging you for porno flicks. Sneak weed and help a nigga pass the time. Put my name tattooed so that ass is mine. Tell everybody pop, put it down for good. A local legend through the whole hood. Follow me, I got a gun on me. Going for none on the run, baby. You know a nigga needs some. It's my son, crazy why I cry. When I be ducking till I die. Picture a nigga in heaven, high on weed I fly. Got me missing dead homies with the phonies that die. Hit the weed and hope it get me high. See God, understand my ways, living major. Blessed with a thug's heart and a real live nigga nature.